pictures. We're taking down pictures. Yeah. Just one more. Keep pulling that thing. He has an air truck freight engine spell.
That guy there in the orange has got to go down when he hooks up and hook up the airline.
The airline? Mm-hmm. What is that?
It's the air, so the air brakes will release so the train can move again.
Oh.
As soon as he disconnected, he locked all the air up.
Oh, okay. If you can take all of those green cars.
Yeah, he's going to take the rest of the freight train and go north. Now all his lights are on. Well, the only thing we got to wait for is the one more guy to come in and get in the train.
Oh yeah, because there are three guys. I think that other guy is gonna hook that thing up.
See what I mean? It takes a long time.
Why are seagulls getting on the train? Seagulls on a train.
See, right now I don't know what he's waiting for.
I think he's waiting for a free path line. That's what all trains do.
Clear.
I think the light is a bit red.
But he's on the main, there's no other trains running.
I think the light is red. My video is so long. It's like 4 minutes and I don't know how many minutes.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Seconds, I mean, is 4 minutes. And 36 seconds. I meant that. I'm gonna take Grandpa. When we get to that, wouldn't it be that a freight train rolls? Can we go home? Cause I'm gonna.